Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the first chapter, that is students year. This we have already completed in online class, but this video is for many students, those who are not attending. Let us see, revise again. See, what is this chapter about student? What is the life of student? What the students have to do, and what are the benefits of studying? That we are going to see in this chapter. Just see a man at a desk in the illustration below. Else, let us something initial about a student. A man on the desk means you can see in the picture a man is sitting and they are discussing about what is the essential about being a student, and that is one can be a student at any age, means we can study at any age. There is no age limit or age boundary for studies. There is so much to learn that it is never too late to learn more, means it is never late to learn more. We can learn so many things. We cannot say that we have learned everything. There are so many things that we don't know. We have to learn. Some very learned scientists and writers only begin to pursue the studies of their subject after the age of 40 years. Means some scientists and some writers have started their studies after the age of 40. Even our own Gandhiji, despite his busy life, found time to learn new language in his later years. Not only others, but our Gandhiji also, he also had started learning a new language in later age. This does not mean that you have to be middle aged to begin studying. Means it is not too late to begin a study. You are among the fortunate ones to have started early, so make the most of your students' years. Enrich your mind and shape a future for yourself. Means we have started studying in early age, so we have to make the maximum best use of that, and we have to enrich our mind and shape our future for brighter future. A student is someone who loves, respects knowledge and makes an honest effort to acquire it. A good student is a student who loves and respects the knowledge, books, and make a honest effort to acquire, means makes the maximum effort to understand and to acquire the knowledge. Are you a student? There is a question asked. Are you a student? Yes, we are students. One question was asked in the first page, that are we a students? Then we said yes. So another question is asked, do you enjoy concentrating on your books like this student in this illustration, or are you one of those who are going to school merely because they have to? Means it is asked that we like to go to school and we are concentrate in our studies, or we just go for the namesake in the school. So no, we don't go for the namesake. If studying is a burden for you, then you cannot call yourself a student. If we feel that study is a burden for us, if study is a burden for us, then we are not a student. A true student is one who is deeply seen this. As we have seen, a true student is one who is deeply interested in books and derives pleasure from learning and gaining knowledge. Means if a student is true student, he is interested in studies, he will gain knowledge and he will be deeply interested in books and gaining knowledge. Do not forget that knowledge love those who love knowledge. Do not forget means हमको ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि जैसे कि हम विद्या को जैसे नॉलेज है, इफ़ वी विल लव नॉलेज, नॉलेज विल ऑल्सो लव अस. बट इफ़ studying is fun for you, you have crossed the first barrier to becoming a student. if learning, अगर हम पढ़ाई को मजाक में ले रहे हैं तो वो हमारा पहला कदम है कि हम एक स्टूडेंट की जो क्वालिटीज़ है उसके विरुद्ध जा रहे हैं, उसके खिलाफ जा रहे हैं. सो वी शुड नॉट डू दैट. Garner all the knowledge you can, because knowledge is the power that makes great men like Einstein, C.V. Raman, Gandhiji, Nehru and Tagore. Means you can see, garner means you should acquire, you should receive all the knowledge whatever you are getting, so that in future you can use that for the good purpose. And see, there are great men like Einstein, C.V. Raman, Gandhiji, Nehru and Tagore. They have also studied and they have attained a great position in our country and in their life. So same way we should also do something good, that everyone should be proud of us. No student is ever too young to decide when to study. No student is ever too young, means we cannot say that now we will study, or tomorrow we will study, or after 1 year we will study. Means we should always listen our teachers and parents, that they will guide us when to study, means which is the right age to start the study. A sincere student know how to manage both, but if he is sincere, then he knows how when to study and when to play. See, we will see a story of Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. See, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who grew up to be one of the learned men of our country, was born in an extremely poor family. His parents could not even afford to buy oil to light the lamp in their hut. Means they were so poor that they cannot buy the oil also to light the lamp. And but this did not discourage him. But this all thing does not discourage Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. In what he was not discouraged? In studies. He was very keen interested in studies. He wanted to study, though he was not having anything, no money, no light in his house, but still he wanted to study. Every night he would sit under the street light to study, because during the day he had to help his mother with household chores. Means every night he was sitting under the street light. You can see in this picture that under the street light he is sitting and studying. So every day he was sitting under the street light and he was studying, and daytime he was helping his mother too.